Hi friend, so in this video we are going to configure the CA server of our SD-WAN lab. So let's bring this one is up, and I have to make this also up. See, we might verify any configuration is there. So show IP interface brief. Nothing is configured on this router. So first of all I have to configure the interface. So interface, we are just 10.110. Shut. I have to give the one default route or also towards WAN router. So IP route now the thing is need to configure the server part configuration so that it can be authenticate your server certificates. So this is the some script which we are using to make this router as a server, perform the server. So that's why just through this script we are going to enable the certificate server configuration on this router. So just no need to remember the things, only oh, shit. And we enable the TFTP also on this server so that we can copy the certificate through the TFTP to all the devices. So that's why I enable this TFTP feature on this now server. Right. So verify this. The configuration has done our server certificate. So the command is dir nvram, because of I saved the certificate URL I given for the nvram, just ESC nvram. So that's why I am just looking into the nvram. My files would be ngtl c and ngtl crl. These are the certificate. Through this it will be authenticate. So CA is the certificate which will be copied on the all the controllers. So in this video that much only. In next video we'll start to configure the vmanage, vbound, vsmart and implementation part will be for the SD-WAN will be a start from the next video. Thank you.